bow. Forward. Thank you. Proceed.
I, yes, Matinga Chachaki, having been elected as a deputy speaker of the County Assembly of Nyamira County, do swear that I shall always rudely and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the deputy speaker of the County Assembly in the county, that I shall respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I shall do right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya and the laws and the conventions of Parliament, without fear or favor, affection or ill shall. So help me God.
Thank you. Order.